Let's find out what the lights mean on a DeWALT battery charger. So we have our battery here, and all we need to do is slip it into the charger and we'll get this red flashing light. Now what this means is your battery is actively charging. Now if this turns a steady red, that means our battery is fully charged. If this was rapidly blinking red, that could indicate a fault with the battery. Check it's seated correctly. Now I have another battery here. As you can see, we've got a red flashing light and a steady yellow light. What this actually means is that the battery is either too hot or too cold. So what you need to do, take it off the charger and then let this come to room temperature. If it's too hot, put it in a cool place. If it's too cold, as you can see this, I put this in the fridge and it's got freeze on it. So this can happen like in winter months and things like that. Take it to a warm place. When we come back and our battery's warmed up or cooled down, whichever one you're having a problem with, put it in. And there you go. We're now charging our battery. So hopefully that helps you out what the lights mean on a DeWALT battery charger. If it does, smash that like button, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.